In the Chestnut Hill community, south of Dandridge, Tennessee, is your luxury farmhouse at 1003 Frank Thornton Road. On a mostly fenced 3 acres, this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home provides just over 2,300 square feet of luxurious home-style living area. This is an open floor plan flowing seamlessly into the living room beneath a 10-foot ceiling on hickory hardwood flooring, centered by a direct vent gas fireplace. The kitchen is all state-of-the-art with an eat-in breakfast area. And just take in the style and spaciousness of this formal dining room. It's beneath beautiful light fixtures. 2 bedrooms on the left side of the home share a convenient bath. And your primary on the opposite side offers privacy as well as comfort. The attached ensuite features a standalone shower, double vanity, and check out this cast iron clawfoot tub. This full basement has 2 entrances, including your second driveway, with room for storage, a man cave, or you could even double your living space. Adjacent to the home, this historic cantilever barn will certainly plush your farm estate as well. 1003 Frank Thornton Road in Dandridge is only 30 minutes to Pigeon Forge. The surrounding farmland, mountain views, and the peaceful lifestyle you'll experience are second to none. Call Charlene Ramsey of 3 Rivers Realty direct at 865-307-0357.